Hi guys, welcome back to TDK channel. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to teach your kid the first time learning riding a pedal bike. It's not that complicated, it's not that scary. If you know how to get them familiar, get along with the bikes, it's very easy actually. Stay tuned, follow the video. If you like it, hit the like, subscribe button. At some point in their kids' journey, you need to get them to learn how to ride a bicycle. So a lot of them can get on the bike in a very early years of their life, and mostly 3 to 4. You can already teach your kids how to ride a pedal bike. Preliminary practice will get them on that very easy. So get them on the pushing bike when they turn 2 years old, so they can learn how to control the bike, how to push their leg, how to get balance when they lift up their legs. When they turn 3 or 4, you can swap the bike, upgrade to the pedal one, and then teach them how to balance it, how to get without help. Sort of like mistake a lot of people make. Usually they get the pedal bike with the supporting in the back, like 3 wheels in the back. It look less scary for the kid, but it make them harder to learn and control it by themselves. So the best thing is get the normal pedal bikes, 2 wheels, and I show you very easy, a couple time practice, and they will get on that very quick. You would be the very first step that get your child familiar with the no pedal bike. So the pushing bike, see, this is the bike that they need to get familiar with their balance. They're pushing with their leg, know how to control the bike. With the kid about 3 years old, 4 years old, you can get started with that. Keep balancing when they are on the bike, and it's a very useful lesson. Let's go. It's a very useful lesson. For the first time, maybe trying to get on the bike. Don't get the bike with the 3 wheel on the back. That is the slow down the process of learning how to ride a bike. This pushing bike, you can get started when the kids turn to 2 years old, and it can have fun from 2 to 5 years old. And it's best if you can get the kid to the park, where it's less dangerous. They can practice the bike, they can fall down, they can make mistakes. Just get them to the park, there's plenty of space. They can learn how to control their bike, without have to worry about bumping into people, tree, obstacles. First step, when you swap the bike. So when your kids get familiar with the pushing bike, now it's the time to upgrade. Get the pedal bike without the back support. Only 2 wheels. 2 wheel only. Don't get the 3 wheels in the back. Don't get the one with had a hook or supporting stuff. They will slow down the learning progress. Get the normal bike. So this is the one that I got from Decathlon, 200 pounds, a decent one for kids from 4 to 7 years old. Yeah, you can pick the right one for your child. Đây. Yes. So you just keep holding the bag and let your child pedal. This way, they will practice walking to pedal the bike and at some point balance the bike. Just have to practice this with the kid for a couple times. Yeah? See? At some point, you just have to let her go, and then she's able to pedal by herself.
You need to go by your legs first and then start pedaling.
Like this?
Push a little bit so the car has some accelerators, and then pedal.
I'm going to show you how to stop with a pedal bike.
Yeah.
That is how to do it? What exactly did you do?
So you need to go slow and then press it. And if you press it and it still moves, then press it one more time.
Harder, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you need to put your legs down, right? Because,
So it doesn't fall.
yes.
One of the very useful lesson when they started to familiar with themselves with the pedal bike is to be able to hold and walk along with the bike. So before they get on the bike, pedal it, probably that let them hold the bike and walk alongside with the bike, like this. Go. Can you put your hands on the handles a bit? Both? Yeah.